What's up, frigate chasers? In this episode, we make the Bimini Crossing in reverse. We check out of the Bahamas, visit the Galant Lady, and catch a few fish trolling back to the States. There will be some useful information trickled throughout this video, so keep watching. Good news, our Bimini Crossing e-book is finished and ready for download. It is packed full of useful information on making the crossing from Fort Lauderdale to the Bahamas, and the link will be in the description below. For those of you new to the channel, we are a travel channel with a fishing problem. We are not professionals, just a group of friends with real jobs, burning vacation time, learning, and loving the ocean. If you are enjoying our videos, please like and comment below, as this helps YouTube determine whether or not to suggest videos to others. And it's just simply awesome to see the responses. The Galant Lady is located on the southern tip of North Bimini. We walked it from Bimini Big Game, but it is accessible by golf cart as well.
Currently have a man down walking towards Galant Lady, and the wife came across a little shopping center, so she's now MIA. There she is.
Oh, boom!
The
Target acquired.
the elusive shopper wife, something rarely seen in the wild, only exposing itself as it comes in and out of shops. There was a shot of the elusive shopper wife, soon to be disappeared into the wild again.
Found her. You should totally get that. That is totally you. You should probably try it on to make a decision.
Yeah, try it on.
Bimini Bohemian Fishing Tournament winner. Phase 1 of the trip, winner right there. I know she loves her
And
handbags.
the good news is that I won, because Shannon would not have appreciated this.
Pretty sure
Well, it would have been a different gift for Shannon.
No.
Good job. Do you have any strategies for phase 2? The keys?
Let Shannon do all the captaining so that she can actually do more fishing.
The Galant Lady wrecked here in 1997, and it is deteriorating fast. In just a few short years, there may not even be anything left to see, so I suggest you get here and check it out while you can. We definitely enjoyed our stay in Bimini, but it was time to get up and get out. A few things to know about checking out of customs. Number 1, do not lose the paperwork you received to check in, as you will need it to check out. It is generally best to ask what the checkout process is when you are checking in, so you are prepared at that time. But last time, all the captain had to do was swing by the office with the paperwork and we were cleared to go. There is a departure tax, but it's covered with the fees during your check-in process, which was $150 for the boat with 3 people and $25 each additional person. On the route back to the States, we like to make a heading for Miami and then ride the Gulf Stream up towards Fort Lauderdale while trolling.
Bimini tournament done. What was the final score?
14.5 to 8.5.
So those points will carry over to the Trip Cup. No, the Trip tournament. Right now we're on the Keys Cup, starting 0-0. We'll see what happens.
We'll see if Captain sabotages again.
Sarah, no offense, but I'm pulling for the captain for the Keys. I'm sorry. What's happening?
Let's get him over here so the camera can see him. Just a second. We don't want to touch him because we don't want to kill him.
If we touch him, he'll like catch all these sort of diseases because we lost his slime.
For real?
Yeah, we don't want to kill him.
Okay.
He seems like a nice kid. We need to go get his big brother and bring him to our,
To us.
Yeah.
When arriving to the States, the check-in process can be made simple by downloading the CPB Roam app. Link will be in the description. You should register the app before you leave for your trip. Then when you get service as you are coming back into port, you will need to log in, add your travelers, and report your arrival. They will eventually call you or FaceTime you. Make sure you answer the phone. We missed our call last trip and resulted in us needing to check in at an actual customs office. We wasted a lot of time with this little mishap. We did put in at Harbortown Marina, so obviously we came back in the same way we left. Just watch out for the shallow rocks around the inside of this turn. They will get you. As we said earlier, our Bimini Crossing E-Book is now available for download and we have made it extremely affordable. Link is in the description. Not to mention, it is a great way to support the channel. Supporting the channel equals more trips, equals more videos, equals more awesome. We also have other ways to support the channel, and those will be in the description if you are interested. Speaking of which, we support a few YouTube sailing channels as we also plan to sail someday. And one of them gave us a shout out recently, so we would love to return the favor. We're talking about sailing good, bad, and ugly. Matt and Kristen are extremely entertaining and fun to watch, so head over to their channel and let them know Frigate Chaser Fishing says hello! In our next couple of videos, we head to Marathon, Florida for the second leg of our trip where we finally, yes, finally get into some fish to be proud of. Don't be afraid to leave a comment, hit the like if you found this video helpful or entertaining, and subscribe. I mean, you can always unsubscribe later. Your favorite crew member slash editor slash farm boy is getting into planting season, so you may not see us for a while. You might want to hit the bell to get notifications for future videos. Frigate out.
No, other side. Got it, Grant?
Thank you, Grant.
Alright, do better.
Okay.
You know better now. Not your first time on board.
What's awesome is that it just turned on the 360, so we probably got that.
The good thing is you didn't learn from the mistake.
Yeah, tell us what just happened.
I can tell you.
Tell us.
I lost my hat.
First day on the boat. We only had the boat for 3 years. Coming on a boat like this.